Hello all, myself Hani Mehta. I am a 4th year BPT student from Marwadi University, roll number 1. Physiotherapy in cardiorespiratory condition. Today my topic is work of breathing. So first of all, we have to see about the definition of the work of breathing. Work of breathing is the work done by the respiratory muscles during the breathing to overcome the resistance in the thorax and the respiratory tract. Now we see the work done by the respiratory muscles. During the respiratory process, inspiration it is the active process and expiration it is the passive process. So, during the quiet breathing, respiratory muscle perform the work only during the inspiration and not during the expiration. Now we see the utilization of the energies. During the work of breathing, the energy it is utilized to overcome 3 types of the resistance. That is airway resistance, elastic resistance of the lung and thorax, non-elastic viscous resistance. You can see here the graph of all 3 resistance that are applied in this work of breathing. Now we start one by one the resistance that is applied on the work of breathing. First of all, airway resistance. Airway resistance it is the resistance offered to the passage of the earth through the respiratory tract. Resistance increased during the bronchial contraction, which increase the work done by the muscles during the breathing. Work done to overcome the airway resistance is called the airway resistance work. Now the second, elastic resistance of the lung and thorax. Energy is required to expand the lungs and thorax against the elastic force. The work done to overcome the elastic resistance is called compliance work. Now next and last one, that is the non-elastic viscous resistance. Energy is also required to overcome the viscosity of the lung tissues and the tissues of the thoracic cage. Work done to overcome this viscous resistance is called tissue resistance work. In this graph you can see the airway resistance, the elastic resistance and non-elastic viscous resistance. You can see the graph here. The horizontal line present the intrapleural pressure and the vertical line present the lung volumes. Here the work done it is depending upon the change in the pressure and change in the volume. As we go for the inspiration, there is a change in the volume and the pressure, so it is known as the compliance work. You can see here it is noted by the blue color. Now we have to do the extra work. For that there is the tissue resistance work are done and the airway resistance work can be done. You can see the yellow and pink lines. The yellow color it is denoted by the tissue resistance work. And the pink color it is denoted by the airway resistance work are done. So this is all about the work of breathing. Thank you for watching.